Skewness is a statistical term investors use to understand the shape of investment returns. It tells us if gains or losses are lopsided. At its core, skewness measures asymmetry. It describes how much a distribution of data points leans away from a perfect bell curve. In a perfectly symmetrical world, the average return is exactly the middle of the distribution. But financial markets rarely behave that way. We categorize skewness by where the tail of the distribution points. Positive skew often represents lottery-like assets, while negative skew shows crash risk. While volatility tells you how much an asset moves, skewness tells you the direction of the outliers you should watch out for. This chart shows a balanced distribution. If the bars were taller on the left, we would say the distribution has negative skewness. Keep this in mind when evaluating historical data. Sometimes, the most important information is hidden in the extreme tails of the distribution. Understanding skewness helps you look beyond averages. Subscribe for more financial concept explainers, and remember that this is for educational purposes only.